St. Augustine looks good over here. And runs right into Bermuda. Isn't that crazy? Over at my parent-in-laws, mother and father-in-laws, grandparents. Looking good though. Looking good. And look at that. Hydrangeas. Huge. Huge. Ew. Yuck.
Oh my gosh, remember the time?
See what old Grandpa has in here. Why don't you get up? No, get on the other one.
This one?
Let's see. What are you getting on over here? Something the lawn tools had, and who is it? Lawn Whisperer. I mean, everyone and their mother and Grandpa. Oh yeah, Toro Titan HD. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, and this is the new one I got.
Oh yeah, V-twin. 708cc. And he gets use out of this with this big old property out of here.